Hi there, it's Grant here, and in this video the main message I want to get across to you is that the crypto tsunami is coming. And what do I mean by this? Well, if you don't know, BlackRock, Fidelity and other huge money managers have recently applied for Bitcoin spot ETFs, which are basically funds that will get, if approved by the SEC, will give their institutional investors direct access to Bitcoin. And there's been a couple of lawsuits recently where the SEC is trying to quash them, but the SEC is gradually losing the battle, and it's only a matter of time before these Bitcoin spot ETFs happen. And when they do, billions of dollars, in fact tens of billions of dollars, is going to flood into the crypto market really quickly. And to add on to this, Cathie Woods Ark Invest files for the first spot Ether ETF. So not only have we got applications from BlackRock and Fidelity and others for spot Bitcoin ETFs, we have now got the first spot Ether ETF application with the SEC. So basically, with all of these applications, spot ETFs to have access to Bitcoin and Ethereum, the pressure is slowly mounting on the SEC to approve the spot ETF funds both for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Whilst it may not be a quick process, a lot of people think, and I think, the SEC is really going to drag its heels on this because it just doesn't want these to be approved, doesn't really like crypto, but the pressure is mounting. At the end of the day, the SEC is going up against companies like BlackRock, which has $10 trillion under management. BlackRock's going to beat the SEC every time, is one of the most powerful companies in the world, and is one of the companies, to be quite frank, that controls the world to a large extent. So be ready, guys. It's only a matter of time before all of these spot ETFs for Bitcoin and Ethereum get approved, probably in the next 3, 6, maybe 12 months. And when they do, billions and tens of billions, if not hundreds of billions of dollars, is going to flood into the crypto market pretty much overnight. And what do you think is going to happen with the crypto prices, especially Bitcoin and Ethereum? They're gonna soar. Cathie Woods recently said, on approval of BlackRock's Bitcoin spot ETF, Bitcoin will probably double or treble overnight. So it's not out of the realms of possibility when all of these are approved that Bitcoin could be trading at $100,000 per coin, or if not higher, which is 3x over where it is now. And Ethereum could 3, 4, 5x as well on that news, where it could be trading, sort of like $6,000, $7,000. And the approval of these funds, in my opinion, is probably a powerful enough trigger to basically trigger the next crypto bull run, where we see billions of dollars flow into the crypto market. And also, you've got to bear in mind that this Bitcoin's halvening next year around April, May, and typically once that happens, after that's happened, that is generally when the crypto bull run happens. If you don't know what the halvening is, it's basically where the amount of Bitcoin issued to miners is halved, so the amount of Bitcoin in supply is reduced. So that's only going to increase demand on the asset and drive prices up further. So the crypto tsunami is coming. I know crypto's been super boring at the moment. There's nothing really happening. I know we had that crash, a couple of weeks ago, but apart from that, this summer has been boring for cryptos. Nothing really interesting. The only things that are of interest to all of these applications of the SEC for these spot Bitcoin and Ether ETF funds. So I feel it building. I really do. I think eventually this SEC is going to cave and it's going to gradually approve all of these funds, in which case you're going to see some crazy things happen. It could be the most crazy crypto bull run we have ever seen, because this, what we see here with the approval of these funds, could be the trigger for Bitcoin to go mainstream as well. Because at the end of the day, all of these funds are proving to me and others and Wall Street, but there's huge desire and appetite for crypto. Crypto is going to be the future of money, because I think the current financial system is very tired, it's outdated, it's very controlled by the big central banks of the world. And I think people and businesses just want a fair, decentralized financial system. And that is what crypto and particularly Bitcoin can give people. And I mean, that's where the investors see why they want to put their money in. It's a great store of wealth. It's great to protect your wealth from the big financial companies and corporates and banks and central governments. And that is why there's a huge desire for crypto, and that's why all these funds are coming up. So all I would say to you is keep your eyes peeled on the news for the SEC approving these funds. It could happen this year, but I think it's more likely to be in 2024 sometime. But my advice to you, and this isn't financial advice at all, because I'm not a financial advisor, if you're at all interested in basically investing and preparing for the crypto bull run, my advice is to start preparing now and start choosing your coins you want to invest in and start slowly building your positions. Obviously, never invest more than you can afford to lose. But again, that isn't financial advice. But if you want to participate in the crypto bull run, now's the time to do it. If you leave it until all these funds are basically introduced and the crypto bull run is away, you're too late, because the prices will be skyrocketing. Okay, so on to the next thing. Just to let you know, I've released my new blog called Investment of the Decade, www.investmentofthedecade.com, where I show you the latest Bitcoin, crypto, and investing news and data delivered to you. There's already some posts up there. It's new, but we're adding new content all of the time. And I've also got a weekly crypto newsletter called the Crypto Insider Newsletter, which drops every Monday. So if you want to check the website out or join the Crypto Insider Newsletter, just come to the website, click here, and you can enter your name and email and join. But I'll link to the website down below. It's investmentofthedecade.com. Okay, so let's just very quickly look at where we are with crypto prices. So basically on the news of Cathie Woods Ark Invest files for first spot Ether ETF, Bitcoin and Ether did initially rally, as we see here, but it's come back down quickly again. So Bitcoin's really trading at just under 26, and Ether is basically trading at about 1.6. Nothing really happening after the big crash. We're just basically flatlining again. We're just waiting for some exciting news or developments to really start driving the crypto market. It is going to happen, if not this year, definitely in 2024. So that's what I've got for you. Be on the lookout for the crypto tsunami, because it is coming when all of these spot ETF funds for Bitcoin and Ethereum get approved in the next 3, 6, 12 months. It's going to be a crazy ride. Tens of billions, if not $100 billions of dollars, are going to be flowing into Bitcoin and Ethereum and the wider crypto market, which is basically going to see crypto prices soar. And I think we're going to be off to the races then and into the next crypto bull run. Last thing I'll say, if you want to prepare for the next crypto bull run, why not join Tika Tuari's Palmish letter? It's got a master crypto course in there, which teaches you how to buy, sell, and invest in crypto. This is how I first started with crypto over 18 months ago. He's also giving you reports of how to opt out of the digital dollar, which might be introduced by September 20th, if not at some point in the future. So if you want to prepare for the crypto bull run and protect yourself on the digital dollar, why not join Tika Tuari's Palmish letter? It's just $49, which is 75% off the normal price. I'll link to that down in the description below and in the first comments. So why not give that away? You get 60-day money back guarantee as well. Anyway, that's what I've got for you guys. If you like the video, want to subscribe to the channel to get more content like this. Anyway, thanks for joining me, and I'll speak to you soon.